This is section 8.4, multiplying properties of exponents. A new idea we're going to talk about today is raising a power to a power. When we raise a power to a power, that's the idea of we're going to take the product of the exponents. Product means multiply, so raising a power to a power, we multiply our exponents. A general rule for this would look something like this. X to the a raised to the b means it's x to the a times b. So as we look at our first one, let's apply some of these new rules to it. X to the 4th raised to the 7th is merely x to the 28th. 28 is gotten from 4 times 7. X to the negative 4 raised to the negative 9, once again it's a power to a power, so we're going to multiply. Negative 4 times negative 9 is 36. Since it's a positive exponent, we don't have to do anything more. Reviewing, when you have a parentheses and talking about order of operations, we're going to try to follow that. Remembering what we have, that's parentheses first. Then what? Then exponents. So, as we think through this, we're going to do parentheses, exponents, and then multiplication. So let's look down at example 2. We have kind of a combination problem here with n cubed to the 6th times n squared. Well, let's work out the first part first. A power to a power, from our new rule, we multiply, times the n squared. Well, now we have a problem from a couple days ago in the few lessons. They both have the same base, so we're going to add the exponents and get n to the 20th. Let's look at example B. Covering up the x squared and just rewriting it down, that's kind of the first problem. And then let's look at the second part. Power to a power, we multiply. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14. Now we can add the exponents together because we have the same base and we get negative 12. Now I'm certain you remember that you can't have a negative exponent. So that becomes 1 over x to the positive 12 is our final answer. Let's look at example C. Example C has two parts to the problem. The first one is a power to a power. That's x to the 12th. The second one, once again, is also power to a power. So that's x to the 14th. We add those two exponents together and get x to the 26th as our result. So reviewing this idea, whenever you have a power to a power, you multiply your exponents.